I bought these pacifier clips with one thing in mind, to make cost-effective pacifier clips for my son. If you're a parent, you know that you're gonna lose your clips and you're gonna lose your pacifiers. I needed a more cost-effective pacifier clip because I was a little tired of buying pacifier clips. So I bought these silicone rings and these straps, and I DIY'd my own pacifier clips, and I'm gonna show you how. So the type of strap that I got to work with these pacifier clips looks like this. It has this little loop right here. You're gonna put this loop through the bottom of the pacifier clip, and you're gonna put the clip through the loop, and you're gonna create like a little knot, just like that. So you're gonna stick the pacifier through the silicone ring, just like that, and boom. I love them because they're flexible. You know, I can wash them easily. We use MAM pacifier because my son has the air. He has sensitive skin on his face, are really great for his sensitive skin, so that's why we love these. We've only used the MAM brand for the last so many years. I can't speak for any other brand, but these ones fit these pacifiers. A DIY pacifier clip that's a lot more cost effective than if you bought this as one unit.